Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So I'm going to be decorating a table for two outdoors, and it is going to be vintage style. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now let's take a look real quick at this tier tray. Oh my goodness, it is a beautiful farmhouse tier tray, and I did keep it white elements and greenery. Now the tablecloth was thrifted. The gold runner was a gift from Divine Inspiration with Martha, along with those beautiful cushions. Absolutely love them, and they just ramp everything up for me. Thank you so much, my love. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. It's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. So the gold chargers did come from the Dollar Tree, and those beautiful pink plates, they did come from Michael's. And then the center salad plate, that came from the thrift store. It almost looks Victorian. I absolutely love it. Now the napkins were thrifted, but the napkin rings did come from Party City. And then I absolutely scored great when I purchased the Pioneer Woman glassware. And those are pretty expensive in the store in Walmart, but I got them at a fraction of the price at the Goodwill. Now the Dollar Tree was carrying this beautiful flatware, and it was pink. It also came in lavender and yellow, beautiful colors. I got them in pink for this tablescape, but I also got them in lavender. All right, so here we are at the reveal. I am so happy with how this tablescape turned out. I do want to take a moment and thank everyone who participated in this collaboration. I had an amazing time putting this together. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. So God bless you guys.